So hey guys, today we are playing Clash of Clans. So it is starting. So you please write in comment box next game which you want. Okay. No comment have came, so I was very sad. So I am playing Clash of Clans. So here we will play our first battle. Okay, just we will start now. I have to train my troops. Okay, so we will start now. Just in some seconds. So the battle is about to start. So get ready to enjoy. I hope you will like this video. So in starting, please give like, otherwise you will forget to like. So our troops later, you can see just some minutes to start the video. Okay, till that give like to this video, as you will forget the video is very interesting. So we are about to start the video here. As you can see, our troops, we are making troops. It is coming. So the battle is about to start. Get ready for the action. So now just some troops are left to be done. Okay, just some troops. Just some. Only some troops. See, just three. Three more. So it is going. Three more. It will be about to be. It is about to be. So now let's start. 3, 2, 1, 0. So we are playing our first battle. So I have to put them somewhere else so that we can win. So yes, we will kill now. We'll destroy this. Let's see we will win or not. Yes. So let's destroy this. Yes, them too. Let's destroy. Yes. Oh, they are not seeing till that we will destroy all. Oh, now they are also destroying us. They're killing us. Something we have to do. Oh, little bit difficult. Can we win this battle? What do you think, guys? Write in comment box. Can we win this battle? Very difficult, but can we? I think so. No. Yes, some are only left. Oh shit. And we have lose this. And we have lose this battle. Shit. We have lose this battle. Next battle now we will play. Let's see what will happen. So I am finding a place where nobody can see us. Yeah, I got that place. Let's attack. Woo. So let's start. Let's destroy them. Yes. I hope we'll win this battle. Yes, we have to destroy others. 5% damage is done. Totally. So much troops. Let's see what will happen. So yes. Can we win this battle? What do you think, guys? Write in comment box. Okay, write in comment box. Oh, slowly all are destroying. We are also killed, and other damage is also taking place. 20% damage we have done. Let's see we will win or not. Oh, I don't think we will win, or we can win. Can we? Small chance. Yes, we will win this battle, guys. We will win this battle. I hope you are liking this video, so please give thumbs up. So yes. Oh, we have won this battle, yes. So let's play now next battle we are playing. So let's see now what will happen. Next battle. Yes, so where should I send them? Yeah, I have got the place. Yeah, here we will destroy everything. Yes, so let's do damage here. And so much damage is done, but we in our also so much have killed. I don't think we will win this battle. Very difficult. Oh, 14% damage done. 14% damage done. 14% done. So let's see. Oh, some are only left. Some are only left. Some they are trying, but can we win this? Little bit difficult, but oh, just some. Oh shit. So we have lose this battle again. So we have lose this battle. Oh no. So let's play one more battle. Right guys, can we win? I am finding a place where we can. Yes, so I got the place. Yes, now we will hit here everywhere. And now second. So let's see. 6% damage done. Yes, yes. Oh shit, our many are killed also. What will happen? No problem, we can win this. We can win this. 12% damage done. 12%. Oh, very difficult now. Just some are only left. Oh shit. So we lose this battle. So I hope guys you like this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and write in comment box next game which you need of Clash of Clans, Among Us, of Real